Hello friends, my name is Aman and welcome to my channel Study Material. Today's topic is for the international students who want to study in Canada, especially in Ontario. Let's discuss about the 15 best colleges in Ontario for the international students to study in Canada. These are the colleges. The first one is Humber College, Centennial College, then Conestoga College, Lambton College, Sault College, Algonquin College, Crenshaw College, Seneca College, Durham College, Georgian College, Sheridan College, George Brown College, Mohawk College, Canada College and Fleming College. Let's discuss all these colleges one by one in detail. The first one is the Humber College. Humber College is a leading polytechnic community college in Ontario, which offers bachelor's degree, diploma and postgraduate certificates in more than 180 programs in 3 different campuses. In this college, there are more than 33,000 full-time and 6,500 international students. Business, applied technology, health science, media studies, liberal arts and hospitality are the main programs in Humber College, with an approximately fees of 13 to 15,000 per year. The second one is Centennial College. Centennial College sports the largest number of international students of any public college in Canada. This college has 5 different campuses in Ontario, which offer 300 full-time and part-time diploma, certificate and degree programs to more than 45,000 students. Business, engineering technology, health science, animation, hospitality and culinary arts are the main programs in Centennial College, with an approximately fees of 14 to 16,000 per year. Third one is Conestoga College. Its main campus is in Kitchener. Conestoga is a leader in polytechnic education, with 7 distinct campuses and is one of the Ontario's fastest growing colleges. This college offers 300 plus career focused programs to more than 23,000 registered students. In this college, there are more than 30,000 part-time enrollments with 10,000 plus international students. Business and hospitality, skilled trades, engineering, information technology, health science, media and design are the main programs in Conestoga College, with an approximately fees of 14 to 17,000 per year. Number 4 is Lambton College. Lambton College is a publicly funded college in Sarnia, Ontario. This college is recognized as a leader in applied research among the Canadian colleges. This college has 3 different campuses in Ontario, which offer 90 plus post-secondary programs to almost 3,500 full-time and 6,500 part-time students, with 3,500 international students also. Business, engineering, IT, health and community services, fire sciences are the main programs in Lambton College, with an approximately fees of 13 to 15,000 per year. Next one is Sault College. Sault College offers post-secondary education, diploma, advanced diploma, certificate courses, continuing and distance education programs in 3 different campuses in Ontario. This college offers 75 plus programs to almost 2,400 full-time and 4,500 part-time students. Aviation, business, general arts and science, culinary arts, engineering and technology are the main programs in Sault College, with an approximately fees of 14,500 to 17,500 per year. The next one is Algonquin College. This college is one of the Canada's largest college and it has been named one of the top animation schools in the world ranking. This college has 3 campuses in Ontario, which offer more than 340 programs to approximately 20,000 full-time and 37,000 part-time students. In this college, there are more than 25,000 continuing education registrations with more than 4,000 international students also. Animation, engineering technology, early childhood education, general arts and science, hospitality and tourism are the main programs in Algonquin College, with an approximately fees of 15 to 18,000 per year. The next one is Fanshawe College. It is one of the largest colleges in Canada with more than 43,000 students. This college runs over 200 degree diploma certificate programs. There are 4 major campuses under Fanshawe College in Ontario. There are about 21,000 full-time and 22,000 part-time students in Fanshawe College with approximately 7,500 international students. General arts and science, business, hospitality and technology, human services are the main programs with an approximately fees of 16 to 18,000 per year. The next one is Seneca College. Seneca is Canada's most vibrant college and a leader in the post-secondary education. This college has 7 campuses in Ontario. Seneca is the largest business college in Canada, which offer 145 full-time and 135 part-time programs. In this college, there are more than 30,000 full-time and 60,000 plus part-time students, with an approximately 7,000 international students. Aviation, accounting, engineering and technology, liberal arts, hospitality and tourism are the main programs in Seneca College with an approximately fees of 12 to 16,000 per year. On the number 9th is Durham College. Durham College is a post-secondary college in the Durham region of Ontario. This college offers a range of diploma, undergraduate degree and graduate certificates. It has 2 campuses in Ontario, which offer more than 140 programs to almost 40,000 full-time and part-time students. In this college, there are more than 2,000 international students also. Culinary management, renewable energy, farming and horticulture, business, engineering and technology, arts and design are the main programs in Durham College, with an approximately fees of 13 to 15,000 per year. On the number 10th is Georgian College. Georgian is one of the Ontario's number 1 co-op college. It has total 7 campuses in Ontario, which offer more than 130 programs to approximately 13,000 full-time students. Business and management, design and virtual arts, engineering technology, hospitality and tourism, skilled trades, community safety are the main programs in Georgian College with an approximately fees of 12,500 to 15,000 per year. Next is Sheridan College. Sheridan College is a diploma certificate and degree granting polytechnic institute with 3 different campuses in Ontario. It is also one of the famous colleges, which offer 130 plus programs to almost 24,000 plus full-time and 18,000 plus continuing part-time students. Business, performing arts, health, technology, digital media and communication, and skilled trades are the main programs in Sheridan College, with an approximately fees of 15,500 to 18,500. Next is George Brown College. The college is known to be the first college to start distance education system. Currently, it has over more than 15,000 distance education students from all over the world. This college has 3 different campuses in Ontario, which offer more than 170 programs to approximately 32,000 full-time and 3,000 plus part-time students. Design and IT, business, community services, engineering and technology, health sciences, and culinary arts are the main programs in Georgetown College, with an approximately fees of 14,500 to 16,500 per year. Next is Mohawk College. This college is recognized as a leader in health and technology education. Mohawk College is also one of the largest trainers or apprentices in Ontario. This college offers more than 150 programs, including award-winning collaborative degree programs with McMaster University in 3 campuses in Ontario. In this college, there are more than 31,000 full-time and part-time students. Health and medicine, engineering, business, hospitality, social studies, and creative arts are the main programs in Mohawk College, with an approximately fees of 14,000 to 17,000 per year. Number 14th is Canadore College. Canadore College is a post-secondary education facility offering full-time, part-time, and apprenticeship programs. It has more than 6 campuses in Ontario, which offer 80 plus programs: aviation technology, business and management, health, culinary arts, media, design, recreation and sports are the main programs in Canadore College, with an approximately fees of 13,000 to 15,000 per year. The last one is Fleming College. Fleming College, also known as Sir Sandford Fleming College and Ontario's College of Applied Arts and Technology, located in Peterborough. This college has 4 different campuses in Ontario, which offer more than 100 programs to almost 7,000 full-time and 10,000 plus part-time students. Art and design, business, environmental and natural resource science, health and wellness, trades and technology are the main programs in Fleming College, with an approximately fees of 14 to 18,000 per year. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please subscribe this channel for the latest updates.